Hello everyone, and welcome to another brand new episode on my channel, Bohemian Book Club. Today I'll be talking about the book, Time Management in 20 Minutes a Day, written by Holly Reisem Hanna. Holly Reisem Hanna is the publisher and creator of the award-winning website, The Work at Home Woman, which helps women, and men, find remote careers and businesses that feed their souls. In Time Management in 20 Minutes a Day, the author presents practical adjustments designed to enhance your daily routine. From addressing email overwhelm to decluttering and optimizing meetings, discover methods to eliminate unnoticed time drains. Key takeaways from the book include: rapid time management mastery. Focus on concise and effective strategies that can be implemented in 20 minutes or less. Guidance applicable to various settings, whether you're a busy executive or a stay-at-home caregiver, explore numerous approaches to maximize your time. Contemporary techniques for the modern era, leverage the efficiency of technology, including productivity apps and digital organizers, to capitalize on time-saving opportunities. Before moving ahead, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Part 1: 5 Steps to Organize Your To-Do List. Creating to-do lists is crucial for managing our tasks efficiently. The primary motivation behind this practice is the need for effective time management. To improve your time management skills, begin by compiling a comprehensive list of your tasks and responsibilities. Transfer these from your mind onto paper, using a planner or notebook. Include everything, from work assignments to appointments. Next, prioritize your tasks by dividing them into 2 columns: urgent tasks for today, and those that can be deferred until tomorrow. Ensure that your list encompasses both short-term and long-term goals, along with personal objectives. Allocate time estimates for each task to optimize your productivity. Once prioritized, allocate specific time blocks in your schedule for tackling these tasks. Focus on scheduling the most critical activities first, as they can significantly impact your progress. As you work through your list, reassess and adjust priorities accordingly. By consistently adhering to your to-do list and completing tasks promptly, you'll gradually improve your time management abilities. This disciplined approach enables you to focus on enhancing various aspects of your life. Start implementing this method today to experience the benefits firsthand. Part 2: Managing Meetings Effectively. Many of us find ourselves frequently attending meetings in the office, yet it's common to question why these meetings often fail to achieve their intended objectives, or why attendees become disengaged. Frequently, meetings start late, or fail to yield significant results, despite considerable effort. These shortcomings can largely be attributed to inadequate time management. Poor time management not only hampers meeting effectiveness, but also results in attendance issues. To address these challenges, it's essential to develop effective time management strategies, specifically tailored to conducting successful meetings. Rule 1: Avoid being a distraction to others. Late arrivals and disruptive behavior prolong meetings unnecessarily. Instead, maintain composure and refrain from interrupting proceedings if you arrive late. Rule 2: Prioritize preparation and active participation. Arriving early, stowing away distractions like phones, and engaging attentively in discussions significantly enhance meeting dynamics and outcomes. Thoroughly reviewing relevant documents beforehand ensures meaningful contributions to discussions. Rule 3. Foster a positive atmosphere in the meeting room. Positive energy is infectious and greatly influences the meeting's atmosphere. Consider your demeanor and strive to radiate positivity, thereby uplifting the overall mood. Additionally, it's crucial to manage time effectively during the meeting. Provide periodic updates on time remaining, and follow up post-meeting with a summary email, outlining action items and responsibilities. By adhering to these straightforward guidelines, you can elevate the efficiency and productivity of your meetings, while mastering the art of time management. To listen to more interesting summaries, please subscribe to my channel. Part 3. Create a stop doing list. Having covered how to structure our to-do lists and efficiently manage meeting time, we now shift our focus to identifying non-essential tasks. To recognize these less critical tasks, refer back to the columns created during list creation, one for immediate tasks, and the other for those that can be deferred. Quick tasks listed in the first column are typically completed swiftly. As you tackle these, take a moment to reassess the items in the second column. Human nature often leads us to procrastinate on tasks deemed less urgent. Upon revisiting these tasks, they may appear insignificant or unnecessary. Take this opportunity to discern which tasks hold the least importance or offer minimal value. Learning to decline unnecessary tasks is essential. The author provides examples to help identify such tasks, such as overcommitting, aimless scrolling, fixating on unchangeable circumstances, and indulging in time-wasting activities like watching irrelevant videos or reading negative comments. Recognize these optional tasks and refrain from allocating time to them unnecessarily. By minimizing engagement in non-essential activities, you can maximize productivity and effectively utilize your time. Part 4. Stay focused. Despite creating lists and schedules for time management, many individuals still struggle to complete their tasks efficiently. They often find themselves seeking assistance or falling behind on essential work, despite having a comprehensive plan in place. But why does this happen? The answer is simple: merely creating a time log or plan isn't sufficient to master time management or ensure timely task completion. True time management requires unwavering focus. Without dedicating full attention to the task at hand, completing it on time becomes nearly impossible. Focus is a fundamental aspect of effective time management, as emphasized in numerous productivity resources. The issue lies not in managing time itself, but in managing focus. To enhance focus, it's crucial to avoid multitasking and concentrate on one task at a time. Dividing attention between multiple activities only hinders productivity. By focusing solely on one task, you can execute it more effectively and efficiently. To achieve timely task completion, prioritize maintaining undivided attention on each activity. Minimize external distractions, and devote your full concentration to the task in front of you. Only then can you efficiently manage your time and accomplish your work within deadlines. Part 5. Formula for email. The book provides a formula for effectively managing emails, ensuring you handle them efficiently. This formula simplifies the process and minimizes errors. Effective email time management is equal to action plus subject matter plus time limit. Essentially, it means completing tasks while considering their nature and the time frame allotted for them. To optimize time management, keep these 4 crucial points in mind. Number 1. Maintain peak mental clarity and avoid checking emails during peak focus periods. Number 2. Allocate dedicated time for focused work, prioritizing important projects. Utilizing prime working hours effectively can save significant time weekly. Number 3. Implement an organized system for managing email correspondence. Prioritize emails and create folders for easy retrieval and response. Number 4. Establish automated filters and pre-written responses to streamline email management and uphold organizational systems. Additionally, utilize direct statements to convey expectations clearly and efficiently. This approach ensures swift communication and facilitates understanding for the recipient. Let's review the key lessons we've covered. Number 1. Prioritize managing your time effectively and utilize time blocking techniques to enhance time management skills. Number 2. When creating your to-do list, focus on selecting only the most crucial tasks. This ensures you can develop the ability to complete your work promptly. After creating the list, concentrate on fulfilling these essential tasks. Number 3. Implement the 3 simple rules provided to ensure successful meetings. Number 4. Avoid wasting time on unnecessary activities. Number 5. Maintain full concentration on your work and prevent external distractions from interfering. Number 6. Complete tasks with consideration for their importance, relevance, and time constraints. Through the insights shared in this book, you can improve your time management skills and enhance productivity, leading to positive changes in your life. Thank you for watching this episode. Please don't forget to subscribe. Your comments, likes and shares are highly appreciated. See you soon in our next episode.